All right, in this video we're going to talk about the Analyze area of forms, and in this area is where you will see all the data of anyone who has submitted information within your forms. So this is just a test account here. What you can do is you can change the date range, so this week, last 7 days, 30 days, this month, last month, this year, last year, any of that. You can also change the month, the year, and you can actually, if you just want to choose one day, however you want to do it. So you don't have to use any of these. You can actually just set the time frame yourself. Click on the check mark and submit the information. And once again, it will show up. If you want to refresh your data, you can just click on this and it will automatically refresh. Down here, you will see the graph chart, obviously, of all of your forms. And then in this area is all of the forms that you have set up. So you can sort these by their name, ascending or descending. You can also sort them by their submission, ascending or descending. You can also click on the View Submission button over here on this side to see how many people have submitted their information. You can do that there as well, and we'll talk about that area in another video. And once again, the more forms that you have, the more pages you will have. So you can navigate those pages down here in this area. And that is the Analyze area of forms.